Wondering how to switch from operations or sales to a high impact decision making role in finance? Or maybe you are from a non finance background thinking, is finance too technical for me? Let's clear the fog. Because in this video, we'll walk you through what you will actually learn in business, financial, and management modules of Eduzi Academy's flagship Credit Analyst program and how it bridges your current skills to the finance domain. Business module. This is where the foundation begins. In the business module, we will focus on understanding industries, how they operate, what drives their performance, and how to assess their internal and external risk. You will learn about business models across sectors like manufacturing, real estate, NBFCs, and trading, industry analysis using real-time based learning, SWOT, Porter's 5 Force model, and competitive landscape tools. Identifying red flags in business operations and growth strategies. This is not a textbook theory, but a practical insight, especially helpful if you are coming from a non-finance background. We make you think like a credit analyst right from the start. Financial module. Now let's dive into numbers. The financial module helps you decode the financial statements, not just reading them, but interpreting what they really say about a company. You will gain hands-on skills in balance sheet, P&L, and cash flow analysis, ratio analysis, liquidity, solvency, profitability, and efficiency, working capital assessment, real-world financial modeling and projections, identifying manipulation or window dressing in financials. And don't worry, if you're not from a finance or accounting background, our step-by-step approach combined with industry case studies makes complex concepts easy to grasp. Management modules. Business models and numbers alone don't tell the full story. Management quality often decides the fate of a company. In this final module, we will help you assess promoter background checks and track records, transparency and decision-making style, corporate governance practices, related party transactions and key disclosures, ESG and reputational risk. You will learn how analysts form qualitative judgments about promoters and leadership, something even AI can't automate. So, whether you are shifting from a non-finance role to a credit desk or reskilling to move up in your finance career, this program equips you with industry-relevant and analyst-level thinking. At Eduzi Academy, we combine real-time case-based learning with mentorship from working professionals in top banks and MNCs, ensuring that you are not just learning theory but building practical judgment. Ready to explore deeper? Follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube for more walkthroughs, student success stories, and expert insights.